Is the SUD Life Samriddhi plan the perfect blend of savings and protection, or just another traditional insurance plan with limited benefits? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So this is a limited premium, non-linked, deferred participating life insurance plan. And some of the key features of the policy are: you get to pay premiums for a fixed period of time while enjoying long-term benefits, and it helps you build a financial reserve while ensuring life cover, and it also provides you with extra security in case of accidental demise, and it enhances your savings through assured guaranteed additions along with accrued bonuses, and you get to ensure your family receive a steady income in your absence through the optional family income benefit rider as well. And there are benefits like maturity benefit, death benefit, and guaranteed additions and bonuses. And there are advantages like you have the flexibility to enhance your coverage by opting for an optional rider, and you can borrow up to 55% of the surrender value whenever you need funds, and in case of accidental demise of the policyholder, your family will receive twice the death sum assured. So these are some of the advantages. However, some of the disadvantages are the returns depend heavily on bonuses, making them uncertain, and the plan offers poor growth compared to other investment options, and the sum assured may also fall short of meeting your family's future financial needs. So you need to consider all these drawbacks before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic idea about this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video to help us conduct IRR analysis to help us understand and make a more informed decision. But if you do want to know more about certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure. So now, as we have a basic idea, to calculate the internal rate of return, we are going to calculate it based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure. So here, for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 35-year-old male has opted for this plan with a sum assured of 10 lakhs. So he pays an annual premium of 87,800 rupees for 10 years. So the policy term is 20 years. If the premiums are paid regularly, the policyholder becomes eligible for bonuses and a maturity benefit at the end of the policy term. So here, in this policy brochure, they have given us two assumed return scenarios because maturity benefit is uncertain and it will depend on the actual performance of the policy. So to give you an example, they have given two scenarios just to indicate worst and best case scenario. At 4% per annum, the maturity benefit is 11.75 lakh with an IRR of 1.89% as per the policy's maturity calculator. At 8% per annum, the maturity benefit is 19.40 lakhs with an IRR of 5.18% as per the policy's maturity calculator. So it is important to note these rates 4 and 8% are assumed projections, not guaranteed returns. Once the premium payment period ends, you are locked into the plan until maturity with no liquidity. For a long-term investment, the return should at least match or beat inflation. Otherwise, the real value of money erodes over time. The sum assured under this plan is also inadequate to secure your family's future financial needs. So in short, both the returns and the life cover under this policy fall short for long-term financial planning. So investing here could derail your financial goals instead of supporting them. So now, as we know that this policy is not giving us a desirable outcome that we need, which is especially inflation beating return, let us now move on to a comparative analysis where we are going to explore an alternative strategy in which we are going to use the same premium we use for SUD Life Samriddhi plan, but instead of investing it completely in an investment cum insurance policy like this, we are going to split it and invest in insurance and investment separately. So for life cover purpose, we have opted for a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 10 lakhs, which costs us about an annual premium of 8,800 rupees per annum for 10 years. So this leaves us around 79,000 annually available for investment during the premium paying term. Over 20 years, this amount compounds into a much larger corpus compared to SUD Life Samriddhi plan. So first option is pure term plus PPF combined strategy, which is the debt option. So for example, PPF requires a minimum of 500 rupees annually for 15 years. So adjustments are made for the final years, and if we invest in PPF like this all these years for 20 years, it will become 23.31 lakhs the maturity value after 20 years. So for this combined strategy, the IRR is 6.40%. We also have another option, which is the equity option, in which you are going to invest in a combination of pure term plus equity mutual fund. So equity mutual funds offer higher long-term growth but with higher risk. So here the maturity value, which is pre-tax, comes around 48.22 lakhs, and the maturity value post-tax comes around 43.34 lakhs. So if you calculate the IRR for the post-tax return, you get 10.56%. And if you have any doubts regarding how we have calculated the tax for equity mutual fund, we do have presented a small tabular column on the screen for your easy reference, which you can pause and see. So as you can see from this, with PPF you get stable, safe returns that still beat the Samriddhi plan returns. With equity mutual funds, you get inflation beating returns and better wealth creation. In contrast, this policy locks your money for 20 years, offers poor liquidity, and fails to generate competitive returns. Clearly, combining a pure term policy with suitable investments like PPF or mutual fund actually provides far better value than investing in an insurance cum investment policy like SUD Life Samriddhi plan. Then what is the final verdict? Is investing in the SUD Life Samriddhi plan worth it or not? So this policy is a traditional endowment policy where you pay premiums for a limited period and receive life cover along with a maturity benefit at the end of the term. The only added feature is an accidental death benefit, which doubles the sum assured in case of accidental demise. Beyond this, the plan offers no unique advantages, and it also has a high agent commission. However, the maturity benefit is a non-guaranteed since it depends on bonus declarations. On analyzing the numbers, the returns fall short of the inflation rate, meaning your purchasing power will shrink over time. As a result, investing in this plan can derail your financial goals instead of supporting them. In short, this policy neither provides you with meaningful life cover nor wealth creation. A better approach is to choose investment products that aligns with your goals, risk appetite, and time horizon. Never combine insurance and investment, so keep them separate for efficiency. Diversify across asset classes to balance growth and safety. Smarter alternatives can help you stay on track towards your financial goals while also safeguarding your family's financial future. Ensure your life cover is adequate enough to protect your family's future financial needs and liabilities.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.